Okay, I'm going to attempt to do this part 4-1, and I'm going to approach drawing it from the front view first, and this time around I will sketch out a full rectangle and I'll extrude it as a rectangle, and I'll show the chamfer command using the distance followed by the angle. Okay, then I'll do the cutout and finally the circle. When I extrude, I'll be extruding it by mid-plane because I noticed that there is a circle on or there are features at the top plan view, and they are aligned to the I need the origin to be somewhere in the middle so that I can help to align it horizontally or vertically. Okay, so without further ado, coming here, create a sketch first, and I'll be sketching on the front plane. Right, this is the front plane, and this time around I'm drawing a straight out rectangle, and the rectangle distance is 48 millimeters in length and 32 millimeters in height. 3 2. Then I will extrude. Okay, I'll extrude, but this time around I extrude from mid plane to a distance of 36 millimeters. Once that's done, I'm going over to the chamfer. The chamfer is with the fillet command. I need to click on the black triangle here and choose chamfer. Okay. Previously, we were using the distance and distance options. Now I'm choosing the distance versus angle options. Okay. I will choose this corner, and what happens is if you were to zoom in, you will see that let's drag this picture here. You will see that the distance 4 millimeters is pointing down towards this point here, which means from the corner it will go down by 4 millimeters, and that's not what I want. I want the distance to be from the corner along the horizontal plane and not the vertical plane. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this flip direction, and it will flip the direction such that the distance is going from the corner along the horizontal plane. Now the angle is 30 degrees, so I'll change the angle to 30, enter, and then the distance is actually 48 minus 16, and that gives us 32. Okay, and when this is done, I click accept. This is what I have. Right, now once this is done, I'm going to create my sketch. I will do the cutout at the bottom left hand corner. Right, bottom left hand corner, and this time around, instead of doing the constraints, I'll skip just that because I've already explained and show you guys. So I just snap to the orange dot, and you'll notice that the two vertical lines and horizontal lines closest to the dot are fully constrained. They are black in color. Then what I do is I dimension the vertical height, and I'll dimension the horizontal distance. The horizontal distance is 12 millimeters. Okay, then what I'll do is I will extrude cut the entire feature through all. Okay, then I'll select sketch. Wait, hang on for a second. Yeah, select sketch on this surface from the top, right, from the top, and I'll do the cutout from the corner over here. Okay, same thing, I will move my mouse to the orange dot, select it, and I'll drag it up. Then I will dimension it. You see that the horizontal line and the vertical line are fully constrained. Right? Fully constrained. The height here is 16 millimeters, and the width here is 20 millimeters. Okay. Then I'm gonna do a feature extrude cut, and it's through all. Alright. The next thing I want to create is the slot running through the center. Right? I could choose this side, or I could choose this side. Either way, it's actually okay. It's actually okay. Right? So let me choose to sketch from this side. Okay, from the back. Right? Right. Oh, I would like to show you this interesting feature that SolidWorks has. Now, if you have created a slot here and you realize that, oh, I want to create this slot later on, I made a mistake. I kind of like created it, but you don't want to delete this feature because you want to have the slot. What you can do is you can roll it back so that the feature is uh, put into something like it's like hidden, but it's not deleted. So when you pinch this and you roll it forward, it appears. Okay, so what I did was I'll roll it back so it disappears. And what I'll do is actually it's easier for me to create this slot first so that I can snap to the midpoint, right? So what I'll do is I'll draw a rectangle slot and I'll just draw it over here. And what I'll do is I'll select the midpoint of this rectangle to coincide with the midpoint of the origin. Okay, so I'll put it as coincident, right? Then I'll accept it. Then I'll dimension the slot, and the slot height is 6 millimeters, and the slot width is 20 millimeters. Okay, and I'm going to extrude cut the whole feature. Sketch plane is correct. I'm meant to click this through all, right? And it will be cut right through all. Now at this point, if I were to roll this feature back, right, I'll still be able to get my previous feature. Okay, the reason why I wanted to do this feature or place this feature last is so that I'll be able to snap to my midpoint without too much confusion. Okay, right, sketch over here. I'm gonna do the sketch for the hole. That's the last feature. I'm gonna put it here. And this time round, I'm going to select this orange dot to the origin and I'm going to make it horizontal. Okay, I click OK. Then I select this dot and I select this line and I'm going to make the line coincident, right? So that it is this dot lies on this line as per the drawing. Then I will put a dimension here, dimension 16, diameter 16, and then I will do a features, extrude cut, and it will be through all. Okay, so it is as such. This is part 4-1 completed, and I will call it a day. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you again sometime soon.